Hi everybody and welcome to another Snapshot tutorial video. This is Peter Tusick from Humanware, and in this short video we are going to look at how to pair a Bluetooth device to your StellarTrek. I am going to be pairing a Bluetooth keyboard. You could certainly also pair a headset if you have one. The first piece of this is you want to make sure your Bluetooth device that you're trying to pair to is in pairing mode. So I am going to be pairing a Logitech K380 keyboard, the K380, kind of an older keyboard, been around a few years, but it's very reliable and one of my favorites. I am on the Explore mode. I'm in Explore mode. I consistently want to say main menu, but that's a different Humanware product. I am going to open my settings menu by pressing and holding the down arrow. So let's do that. Again, my keyboard is in discovery mode, at least I certainly hope it is. And I am going to press and hold my down arrow.
Settings, Bluetooth.
First option here is Bluetooth, and I'm going to press confirm to activate the Bluetooth menu.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth currently enabled. Press confirm to disable Bluetooth.
Now at this point you could, if you want to toggle Bluetooth, if you want to save some battery, you don't have a Bluetooth device and you'd like to turn Bluetooth off, you certainly can by coming into your Bluetooth menu and then disabling Bluetooth here with your confirm button. I want to move to the right, so I'm going to push my right arrow.
Pair new device.
And I'm going to activate this option that says pair new device.
Pair new device. Discovering Bluetooth devices. Please wait. 90807829A488438995E9.
Now at this point, we're going to be looking at all the devices around me, and I do have quite a bit of Bluetooth going on in this house, so I'm going to move to the right here.
Apple TV keyboard K380.
This is my keyboard.
Discovery over.
So again, I searched, and it says discovery over. It will search for about 30 seconds or so, and then the discovery will end. I find my Bluetooth keyboard here in my list. I use my left or right arrows, and we heard it say keyboard.
Keyboard K380.
K380, and I'm going to press confirm.
Pairing with keyboard K380. Enter this sequence on your device, then press the enter key. 1, 2, 6, 0, 5, 9. Read by character using left and right arrow keys.
So again, as you heard, we can navigate that by pressing our arrow keys. If we want to hear that again.
1, 2, 6, 0, 5, 9.
I just moved through that with the right arrow, and we heard it repeat. I'm going to press enter. I've entered this code on my keyboard.
Bluetooth. Connected devices. Connected to keyboard K380.
So again, I typed that into my Bluetooth keyboard and pressed enter. Your keyboard may differ. Again, this is using specifically the kind of protocol that the Logitech K380 uses. I have seen some keyboards that do not require a PIN code. So, and certainly no kind of headset will require a PIN code. It's just a matter of putting it into discovery mode. I think one reason why the K380 does is it was made at a time when you needed to assign a Bluetooth channel, and I believe that may have something to do with it. But again, now that our keyboard is connected, we are able to use this to input text in any of our edit fields. I will create a video on how to work with a Bluetooth keyboard or the on-screen keyboard there. So what I want to look at though now is if I move to the right,
paired devices. You
now have a paired devices option, and you also have a connected devices option. So you can see these here. If you wanted to forget a Bluetooth device, again, we're still in this Bluetooth menu, but now instead of it only having a pair new device option, we have connected devices, meaning devices you're currently connected to, and then paired devices as meaning devices you've paired with previously. If you want to forget a device, it's a matter of just coming into this paired devices menu. So again, just we can move through this menu. We see two new options.
Pair new device.
We have pair new device.
Bluetooth currently enabled.
Bluetooth is currently
connected
on.
Devices.
Connected devices.
Paired devices.
And then paired devices. If I activate paired devices, I'm going to just left and right arrow through these, but if I activate paired devices.
Paired devices. Keyboard K380. Press confirm to disconnect device.
So I can disconnect from this device by pressing confirm, or if I hit my down arrow,
forget device.
I can forget this device.
Press confirm to unpair this device. Disconnect.
So we do have these options.
Press confirm to disconnect device.
If I move up and down. You can also forget all devices.
Forget all devices.
If you move to your right. And this would be if for some reason you just had a lot of Bluetooth connections you didn't want. Within this paired devices menu, you can forget all devices. I'm going to come out of here. I want to use my keyboard, so I'm going to leave it paired, and I'm going to press my back button.
Bluetooth.
Again, that's the button
Pair
located
devices.
to the top left on your keypad with the unit facing in its correct orientation, and that would be where the ports are at the bottom facing you. So the USB-C charging port and the audio jack facing you. That top left button is back. I'm going to come back to Explore.
Settings.
So I'm just going to press my back button a couple of times, and we hear it say Explore, and now I'm ready to go. At this point, whenever I enter an edit field, I am able to type in what I want to search for. And I will be doing a video on typing that you can certainly watch to get a sense of how to use both the on-screen keyboard or a Bluetooth keyboard, which we've already paired, to enter information. I hope this was helpful, and we will certainly be having more of these videos, so thank you very much.